If you're an HVAC business owner who's genuinely serious about scaling the HVAC business, then this is for you. Regardless of what anybody tells you that organic marketing is the best and you can do it organically and you don't need to spend any money on advertising, yes, this is true. You don't really need to. However, the path is going to take forever. Rather than with advertising, you get from point A to point B 10 times quicker. At 15 times quicker. That's the power of advertising. Thing is, we run ads for our clients, Google ads, and they are called PPC campaigns, pay per click. You only pay for the leads that you get. You don't pay for anything else. You only pay for the leads that convert into